By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use trigger emails to turn clients into cash. Now, I've been using this strategy for many years, and it's crazy to me how well it still works. Whenever I manage a client's email list, I make sure we send at least one of these emails every single day. And that's because I know that these emails work. I've seen clients get insane engagement in sales by just implementing this one tactic. And trust me, it's not rocket science. In fact, as long as your email marketing platform allows you to do this, I truly believe that everyone watching this will be able to set it up. So to give you some context, here's how this whole trigger email thing works. A trigger email is sent directly after someone takes a specific action with your emails. For example, clicking a link inside of your email. Now, back in the day, you could also use email opens as a trigger, and it works really well. Thanks to Apple's new data privacy features, open data on emails isn't as reliable as it used to be. So if you're going to try this strategy, I strongly recommend that you stick to setting your automations to trigger based on clicks and not opens. Let me give you a quick example of how it works so you can see it in action. Let's say you're working with a brand that sells supplements. They just posted a video about better habits for better sleep. So you write up an email, you send it out, and people start clicking to watch the video. And here is where the trigger email comes into play. So you know that anyone that clicks on that email is already interested in improving their sleep. There's some kind of motivation that led them to click that video. So you know that the intent to get better sleep is high in the subscribers that clicked over to watch it. So what you want to do is set up an automation inside of your email marketing software. And this automation will take anyone who clicked on your link to watch the video. It will wait a few minutes, and then boom, the trigger email is sent. The trigger email might say something like, "Hey, I noticed you watch our video on sleep, so I'm going to go out on a limb here and guess that you're interested in getting more restful sleep." If that's the case, I wanted to personally let you know about a new product that we just added to our store. And then you'd introduce the product that helps them with sleep. You just have to get really creative with how you use these emails, because they don't just work with product-based businesses, but they also work with services and info products. They also don't just work after you've sent people content, but they also work after you send people to a product page or a booking link. For example, right now I'm working on promoting a bookkeeping offer for a client, and I'm using these trigger emails a lot because we're getting a lot of clicks going over to the booking page, but then a lot of people that are landing on that booking page don't end up booking calls with us. Now, whether that's the copy on the page, the design, the testimonials, whatever that reason is that is keeping people from booking calls with us, is not really something that's in my control at the moment. However, what is in my control is that we get those people that have already shown interest and then push them over the edge so they end up booking the call. And I've been doing this very successfully with this type of trigger email, where I take everyone that's shown interest in booking a call but then didn't end up booking, and then sending them follow-up emails with testimonials, content, or any other information that will push them over the edge and get them on the phone with a sales rep. Now, if you're not already using trigger emails, you're likely leaving money on the table. I mean, seriously, this is one of the easiest ways to convert warm leads into paying customers. To make this even easier for you, what I'm going to do is that I will add examples of these trigger emails. I'll put them in a Google document for you so you can see exactly how these work and you can replicate them in your business. I'll leave that link in the description of this video. And if you're ready to take your email marketing to the next level, book a discovery call with me and I'll help you set up strategies like these that actually help move the needle forward. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.